G'day everyone, Aaron here. I just want to do a quick recap on how the whole weekend went for us. Obviously, we all put in a lot of work throughout the week to get the cars ready. They all had issues last time they raced, so a lot of hours went into those cars. Yeah, something went wrong with that Yamaha engine, so that wasn't too good because Tyson was going to have a drive, but he didn't even get to go out for hot laps or anything. With the 25, Chris, he was doing wicked, just cruising along, doing his thing, minding his own business, trying to get a feel for the car, and just washed up a little bit high in the loose stuff and caught him out and tagged the wall, and that was that. So broke a few things, but we had spare parts for most of it. A lot of the parts were back here at the shed, not in the trailer, so we couldn't get him back out on Friday, but the car's almost ready to go again. The sprint car, yeah, well, what I say, it was good fun. Like, didn't have the best night. Something in that front left locked that brake. I still don't fully understand it, but we've got to get some new parts to put on, give Pecky his parts back. Having that busted stuff was a good test for us because we didn't have the parts, and I was pretty much ready to give up. I said to the guys, I said, nah, that's us done for the night. And Pecky come over and he's like, go to my trailer, grab that front beam, get the shit you need, and get your car out there. And so that was awesome. Yeah, the steering arm that we put on was a little bit different. We stuffed up, we didn't notice that Carrick didn't have full lock right. You know how much lock you got to get in a sprint car, so that's why he spun out, and then when he almost spun again, it was because of that steering issue, so that's why he pulled up on the infield. He went back out for the final, it was wicked. Pecky and Jared were having a wicked battle, it was awesome to watch. And Pecky ended up getting him just at the end, and I can't remember what the margin was, but I think it was like 2/100ths of a second or something like that. It was so close, but it was cool to watch. Not much else really to say, apart from thanks everyone for your support, thanks everyone that helped us on the night, and I hope you like this little mini series we put together about the doubleheader. But anyway, on to the next one. Cheers for everything, and see you then.